Secure the toilet flange firmly to the subfloor so the fixture cannot rock or cause leaks. Start by removing the toilet and inspecting the flange for cracks, corrosion, or warped sections because a damaged flange cannot hold fasteners reliably. If the flange sits below finished floor level, use a flange spacer or a wax ring with an integrated height ring to raise the sealing surface to meet the toilet horn. Use stainless steel or brass flathead screws sized to the flange holes and the subfloor so they reach at least 3/4 of an inch into the wood or into a drywall anchor rated for that load on non-wood substrates. Tighten screws progressively and evenly in the designated holes to avoid flexing the flange. Stop when the flange sits flush and cannot be twisted by hand. For extra security, add 2 to 4 additional screws spaced evenly around the flange edge, but avoid placing screws where they will interfere with the closet bolts or the drain channel. If the flange is loose because of damaged subfloor, cut out the bad area, install a plywood patch, or use a flange repair plate that spans solid wood on both sides, then fasten the flange to that new solid backing. Common mistakes include relying only on a wax ring to stabilize a loose flange, which will not stop lateral movement and can lead to leaks. So secure the flange to the subfloor first, and then use an appropriate wax or rubber ring for the seal. People over-tighten the closet bolts, which can crack the porcelain or the flange, so tighten bolts incrementally and check that the toilet sits square before fully torquing. If the flange is thin, consider using a reinforced flange or spacer to distribute force. A third issue is using wrong fasteners in tiled or concrete floors. Do not use short wood screws in concrete, and do not ignore tile crack risk. Instead, select concrete anchors or stainless steel screws with proper anchors and place them in the flange's screw recesses to avoid stressing the tile. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like flange anchoring and broader bathroom repairs, and we help people find trusted local professionals and share project experiences. We maintain a discussion community where our members post tips, ask questions, and compare local contractor feedback so we can all make better choices.